Rayden, where are we? Where are we? Look up there on the wall. Look at that. What's that?
Guitar.
Whoa, guitar. Train. Train. Rayden's gonna go on his first ever train ride with Daddy. We're gonna go on the train, aren't we, mate? Daddy usually catches this one to work. Used to catch it a lot more last year, the year before. But we're gonna go on the train, mate. So, come this way. Okay. Rayden, are you gonna do beep beep? You've never done this before, you don't know what to do. Okay, Rayden, ready? You come with Daddy. You come with Daddy. Ready? We'll go through here. We have to go beep beep. Beep. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's go in the elevator. In we go. Okay. We go down. It's pretty cool. Rayden's first ever time on the train. There we go. Now we've got to be really careful. Ready? You got to hold Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand. The train's going to come that way. We're going to wait here. Oh, the train's coming on the other side. Whoa, Rayden, the train. You've never seen a train that close. Wow. Train. Whoa. That's pretty cool, isn't it, mate? Oh, Rayden, our train's coming. Our train's coming. So you're going to hold on to me very tightly. And we're going to go on the train. Are you okay? Oh. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Rayden, that's the sound that means our train's coming. Oh, yeah. Here comes the train. Train. Here comes the train. This is Rayden's train. What? Rayden's train. It's for Rayden. Wow. There might be a lot of people on here. I don't know. We'll see. So, if we've got to stand up, just... Oh, we can sit in the old people chairs. Okay. Watch your step, mate. Wait for the door to open. Okay, in you go. Rayden, come sit down here. Sit down. Daddy, sit down. Rayden, you're on the train. Train. That's pretty cool. Wow. This is what it's like on a train. Rayden, you want to sit here and look out the window? And look out the window.
My Mama.
Yeah, they're gonna meet us at Ilsa. They're gonna meet us at the other train station. Okay? They're gonna meet us there. Wow, we did. On the train. We're on the train. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
A train.
Train. Train. Yeah, there's a train on the picture and there's a train on the floor. Yeah. That's pretty cool, isn't it? What do you think, mate? Look out the window. Look how fast we're going. What? There's a house. That's where we live. There's a house over there, mate.
Mama.
Mom and Harmony, they're gonna meet us at the Ilsan station.
Mama.
Yeah, they're gonna meet us at Ilsan station. Two more. Yeah, 2 more. Okay? Wow. Yeah, look over there, mate. That's where we live. That was Unjong. So Mum and Harmony dropped us off at Unjong station. So Daddy used to catch the train from. And then we're going to go to Tanyang station. That's where Daddy goes to catch the train now. And then we're going to go one more to Ilsan. Because we thought one stop is not really far enough. 6 minutes is better than 3. Yeah, what do you think, mate? His hands in the way.
Guitar.
Yeah.
Oh, guitar. Guitar.
Yeah.
Guitar.
Yeah.
Guitar. Guitar.
If anyone wanted to know what the word was for train in Korean, you just shown it 10 times.
트레이트는 재밌다.
재밌어? It's fun? Oh. Okay, one more. One more. Come, mate. You have to get down. There we go. There we go. Hold Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand. No, we came in that one. We're going to go out this one. You have to go out this way. Okay? And the other side, you go out this way. Oh, yeah. This is pretty cool. Did you have fun? Not really. But now you know what it's like to be on the train. Okay. Off we go. Ready? Wait for the door to open. And step. Whoa. Good job, mate. Rayden, can you do beep beep? Is the car? You do beep beep. Ready? Wow! Good job! Rayden, beep beep. Yeah. And we go. There we go. Good boy. Stand. I have to go find Mum. Where's Mum? And how many? Oh! I can see how many. Rayden! How many's over there? Oh! How many? Mum? Mum's probably with the car. Mum's probably in the car.
하나,
What?
한번 손. 하나, 둘,
Step.
셋.
Step.
오.
Oh, we're gonna jump down the step.
쭉.
Shoo.
와,
Wow.
와, 기차 재밌었어요?
Wow.
기차 재밌었어요? 어디 갔어요? 하나, 둘, 셋, 다운! 하나, 둘, 셋, 다운! 하나, 둘, 셋, 다운! 하나, 둘, 셋, 다운! 아, 재밌지?
What? Where's Mum?
레이든 차 어디 있니?
Where's the car? What? Mum! Mum! So, Mum, how was it?
기차 탔어요?
네.
재밌었어요?
Oh.
어디요?
Yeah, the train went that way.
기차 탔어요?
The train went shung and took off that way. Yeah, that's right. Alright, mate. We're gonna go in the car now. Alright, mate. We're gonna go in the car. Good boy. Daddy will pick you up.